using my Goblin Aquavac 620 for a month now, and it's been good. It's been bad. You can certainly see why so many of these ended their day in the garage when they were first bought for the home. So let's see how this one has been, see how it's coped, see what's not been so great about it, and then I'll show you what we're going to use for the next month. Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? Crikey, it's November already. We're nearly there, nearly at the point of a new year. But first we have to get a new month out of the way. Yeah, this thing it's fun enough. I've been using it sort of like this really, on the rug with this SEMO floor head to random adapter, and that's because this brush is terrible for the rug. Problem with it is, and in fact it's in the mode now, look, it's not straight. The brush is sort of coming out of the back. Oh, let's raise this light up. There we go. Look, yeah, the brush is coming out of a little track at the back, and I mean, it'll push down briefly and then just come back up again, which is very annoying. And even when you have it flat and down on this rug, it doesn't take much to like pull back on the bristles, and it's not great on the rug. Also, one of the wheels fall off as well, and yeah, as nice as this head is, yeah, there you go, it's just not, probably needs to be taken out and bent, but yeah, not bothered. So yeah, bless it. It's cool, it's funky, it's very nice to use on the laminate, I'll give it that, but oh, not so great on this rug. Oh, the other thing actually, before we put everything away, I think I've worked out why most of these died. Because, you know, this is a very nice tool, you know. Very nice tool indeed. But don't really use those. They use the crevice tools. Now I'm going to turn the machine on without the crevice tool and then pop it on, and we'll see if we can spot why I think these died. Yeah? The poor thing screams, it kills all of the airflow, and if you think that the vast majority of these, after the first 6 months of their lives, or for their intended purpose, you know, were just like this, cleaning out cars all day, they probably didn't last a year before they just exploded themselves, whereas I've been using the crevice tool from the Pneumatic Quick with an adapter, and all the crevice tool from the pneumatic itself, the MBV 190, and it's much better. This thing has so much good airflow, but this Goblin crevice tool is just utter garbage. Hey, I'm only about 20 years too late to give you that bit of consumer advice there. Let's open her up. I've not actually opened it up, so under there doesn't look terrible. It's good. Oh, in here isn't plastered with dirt either. None seems to be coming off, so that means that this bag has done its job, which is very good indeed. We will take it out. Gosh, that's quite full, although how much of that is other stuff from past demos, I do not know. This bag will go in the bin now because it's been in here for far too long. Oh, look, underneath is the sponge that goes over here. There was a little bit of detritus in there, who knows, but you know, it'll do for now. We're going to put the filter back in first, because of course you could use these like that. They weren't really supposed to have a bag in them. I mean, if we put that like that, I mean, I'll do that just so that if I turn it on and forget and pick up dust, it doesn't destroy the machine. Stretch. There's a stretch, isn't there? I'll stretch it over here, but there we go. That can sit there and perish, and the next time I see it, it'll just all be cracked off because it was a cheap eBay one. Rant over. And yeah, they were pretty much designed to be used like this. I used a bag because I prefer bags, mainly because they're easier to clean up. This thing would have been disgracefully filthy after a month. Well, it does have a fair bit more airflow than it did before. So yeah, well, that's its little cotton socks. It's a lovely machine. I do like it. I remember them well from my childhood, and I'm very glad I used it because, yeah, bar of its rug issues, I didn't use it on the rug really, bar the Sevo tool a few times. I just used the pneumatic quick, but for everywhere else, all the laminate, all the desk with a nicer dusting brush and a nicer crevice tool, it just picked everything up. I've done a lot of big, bulky cleaning this month with it. It's just gobbled everything up, which is its party piece. And I do quite like it. It'd probably be nice to have a little one, like the one that we gave to Steve Cook. Never mind, one day in the future. So this is the outgoing. What are we going to use next? Well, yeah, this thing has been relegated to the garage. We've had enough. We've seen an offer on a nice new vacuum cleaner, a premium vacuum cleaner, a German vacuum cleaner. Ta-da! Premium! Yes! We're going for... It's a Miele, folks, of this generation, of the nice wand and the nice hose. As you know, not nice wand, nice hose end. The wand isn't even a Miele wand. I didn't get one down from the north because I'm stupid. But I got this one that came in the recent job lot from Mr. James, actually, so that's very nice indeed. Thank you very much. Video on that coming soon. And then I have this, my nice old Miele head from the S240 era. I do have a more appropriate head for this machine, but it's actually been washed at the minute, so I'm going to use this. Oh, and there we go. That all works absolutely perfectly fine. Which Miele are we using? Well, there's a slight clue hidden down there. We're going to use the Miele Spirit S3 something. S311i. Yes, after doing, well, I've done a few. You'll see them coming up. I did an S3 in blue, and I remembered how nice they are, and I remember that I had one. So it's time to get it down. It's very nice, weird, off-pink, lavendery colour. It's definitely not red. It stands out a lot on this rug. As it was when it went up, really. Nothing's been living in it. The bag is... oh. Nothing's been living in it, but this isn't working. Okay. Keep half an eye on that, I guess. But yeah, this thing is going to be a nice upgrade, because obviously this would have been the mid-90s, the Aquavac. It was the early 90s, you know, this would have been, or could have been sold off cheap, £100 odd or whatever, and it would have been a lovely upgrade to an Aquavac. I'd imagine many Aquavacs and whatnot got slung in the garage when one of these walked through the door. Let's plug it in and see how it works. Not going to park in brackets either, because on the other Miele it would have been attached to the wand, so that's a bit annoying. We might swap around, but for now let's start off on a medium setting. Oh yes, oh. Compared to that flipping Aquavac floor head, that glides so nicely. Full power. Yes, this is it. Nice premium vacuum cleaner with oodles of airflow, and it likes my rug. There we go. I've been contemplating getting rid of this rug because nothing really likes it as well as the other one, but didn't. Oh, here it is. But of course, we have many options with a machine like this. Oh, this hates this rug. Oh, no, gliding, smooth. You can feel the pile being sucked into it. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh. And yeah, unlike the Aquavac, it has tools that stay on board and barely changes the exhaust motor note when you shut the crevice tool on. Oh, and yeah, we got some nice tools. I forgot about that. Oh, well, yeah. Sort that out later on in the month. Look, I must have chucked that in there, although I'm glad I did because that's very, very clear. This will see a fair bit of use, so it'll probably sort itself out as we go on. So yeah, I'm going to have a beautiful November. Thank you very much indeed. Like I say, these are still, I still grab one of these for 20 quid off Facebook, give it a full refurb and a nice polish and a box of genuine bags and filters and just be done for the next 20 years than buy anything modern, really. Yeah, I could probably sell my whole collection and just get on fine with this. If you'd like to buy my whole collection, do get in touch, although take a big offer for me to get rid of everything. Nah, that will never happen. Never happen indeed. So yes, for now we are done. Thank you very much for watching. If you, or rather not if you, because of course you have. When was the last time you used an older Miele as a daily? Or have you never? Crikey, you may have never experienced it. I've used a newer Miele as a daily. Very nice, but oh, these old ones are just so much nicer in most ways. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I and some other poor suction device that finds itself in our lair will see you soon. Bye bye.